Hey, welcome back, graduates. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to add a marquee to your store. Now, this is becoming a very popular option that a lot of themes are starting to introduce. A lot of big brands are starting to introduce this. So today I'm going to teach you how to up your theme game, I guess, and add a marquee. So let's start getting badass, shall we? All right. So as always, what you want to do is you're going to log into your store. You're going to click on Online Store, and then you're going to go to the Edit Code option. Now, we already provided you with this snippet code, so you're going to download the file, and you're going to open up a text document, and you'll be presented with this beautiful code right here. Now, this is free for now. A lot of our snippets, when we launch them, will be free, but then afterwards, you'll notice that they'll probably be, around $5. It's $5 a download. It's very cheap. It's very affordable. So, it helps us keep this channel alive. We want to keep bringing you awesome tutorials. So again, if you watch it and you get in on these videos first, you'll get them for free. And you're going to want to subscribe. You're going to want to like the video, and you're going to want to comment, and also join our group if you can, because the files will be listed in there. But then moving forward, we'll eventually take those files down, and they'll be available on our website to actually purchase for $5. Some of them might be $10. There might be some that might be $50 because we're going to be releasing a lot more advanced options. And if you want to see what these advanced options, what they might look like, head on over to our website, ecomgraduates.com, and just click on our portfolio. We have a design portfolio and a development portfolio. So we develop app-like features, we develop custom themes, and what you just saw was actually a custom theme that we're going to be launching very soon. We're still working on it. Still little things we got to work on here, but you can actually go here, eg-bigstore.myshopify.com. The password is 1, and you can take a look at some of the stuff that we're doing on this theme. We got some mega menu options, reactive search features, all kinds of cool stuff that you can use for your store. But anyways, this theme isn't ready yet, so let's just get to it. So we already have the code, right? Now we're going to go to sections. We're going to click Add New Section, and we're going to call this EG Marquee. I probably just misspelled that, but it's okay. So anyways, you open the file, Control-C or Command-C, and then you go Control-A, and then Control-V or Command-V, and you just hit save. It's really that easy. So now what we're going to do is we'll go and preview this and show you that there is no marquee, no scrolling text or anything like that. So now we're going to customize it. We're going to customize this theme and add our marquee. It's kind of ironic that marquees are making a comeback, because I remember back in like the early 2000s where HTML marquees were like one of the cool features, and then they just discontinue with that. I don't know why. No, I don't want custom HTML. If you haven't seen that video, click here. We actually added a custom HTML section for you. Let's see, what else? Where is it? Did I miss it? There we go, marquee text. And there you go, just like that, you got yourself a fancy smancy marquee. Also, guys, let me know if you added this to your store and it didn't work. I tested it on a lot of the free themes. It seems to be working fine, but if it isn't, just submit a support ticket or contact us through the contact form. You can also go to our Facebook page and contact us that way. But the email is support@ecomgraduates.com. And also, if you want some custom development, you can reach out to us. We're very, very good at what we do. So let's just make this background red, make the text white. No, I said white. Damn it. You can change the size, make it larger. You can make the font bold. You can do uppercase. You can change the speed. You can also adjust the gap between the messages. If you want no gap, you can just make it kind of crazy. And as always, all of our features come with a padding top and bottom, margin top and bottom. So that way you can really customize the look and feel, and you can make it clickable. So that is how you guys can add a awesome marquee to your store. Look at that. How beautiful is that? It feels like 2005 all over again. Why didn't that move? I think my theme editor is breaking for some reason. But let me hit save. Sometimes, I don't know if you guys noticed, the theme editor has been acting kind of funky. That is so weird. That is really strange. I don't know, for some reason it's not moving. Why isn't it moving? I don't understand. Oh, because all these are hidden. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm tired. All right, guys, thanks for watching. As always, make sure you subscribe, drop a comment below if this video helped you or if you have any questions. Also, guys, we want to know what kind of things do you want to add. We're looking for suggestions. We're not running out of ideas. I have a whole list of them, but I want to make videos that you want to see. I want to make videos that really are will set us aside from our other people doing tutorial videos. We want to teach you how to add really unique features to your store, and we want to serve you. We live to serve you. You are our masters. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Until next time.